Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lesson. So last class we have learned about the computer important internet terms and its features. So let me remind you, at first we discussed about IP address, then domain names, then domain name server. So let's continue this chapter. The first topic is top level domains. Top level domains. So top level domains. We know domain. Domain name means it is the name that identifies the internet site, and it is only the part of a URL, right? So here we already discussed domain name server, which converts the domain name into its equivalent IP numeric address or IP address. Here we are discussing top level domains. Then what do you mean by this top level domains? We know in the website there is a last component like .com, .in, .org, etc. So the last component of a website or a domain name is known as top level domain. Top level domain means last component of a domain name. Last component of domain name. Last component of domain name. So let's take an example, that is navdeeppublications.com. navdeeppublications.com. Yes. So here com is the top level domain. .com is the top level domain. Another example, mountcarmelcht.org. mountcarmelcht.org. So here org is the domain name, which top level domain name. .com and .org. org or com is the top level domain. Then we can simply call it as TLDS. TLDS means top level domains. Top level domains. Then the top level domains are assigned according to the nature of the organization. So there are different types of top level domains. So let's see what are they. First one is domain ID com. C-O-M. We know .com. For example, www.google.com. Another one, www.gmail.com. gmail.com. Yes. So what is com? What are these type of sites? So com means commercial sites or commercial enterprise. So these are the sites which are under the commercial enterprise or commercial sites. Commercial enterprise. So first is top level domain. The first one is com. Example, google.com or gmail.com. These are commercials. It is used for commercial enterprise. Then next is edu. Another one is edu. edu. For example, www.keralauniversity.com. edu, edu dot ac.edu, for example. So here edu means educational institute. Educational institute. For educational purpose, we can use the sites. .edu. Edu. Another one is gov. Gov. First one com, that is commercial enterprise. Commercial enterprise. Second one is edu, educational institute. Educational institute. Then next gov for government purposes or government sites. Gov. Akshaya.gov or KCB, etc. That means these are the sites under the government. So gov means government organization. Government organization. Then next is NET or net, network service providers. Idea, Airtel, etc. Network service providers. Service providers. Then next org. Org means organization. Which type of organization? Non-profit organization. That is org. ORG. Non-profit organization. Non-profit organization. Then next is info. That means these are the sites which have some information. So that is information sites. Info. Information organization. So these are the basic common top level domains. What are they? Com, edu, gov, net, org, info. So top level domain means the last component of the domain name. Last component of the domain name is known as top level domain. And here are the examples: .com, .edu, .gov, .net, .org, .info. Each of these top level domains has its own purposes. For example, com for commercial enterprise, edu, educational institutes, gov, government organization, net or net, network service providers, then org, non-profit organization, and info, that is information organization. Then, in addition to this, there are many other type of TLDS or top level domains, like in the name of countries, in the name of country codes. So you can see some country codes in your textbooks. So let's see. First one, what is the country code of India? IN. Country code of India, that is country code and its domain name or description. So IN, that is Indian country code. For example, Amazon.in. Amazon.in. So that means which is in the top level domain, which is in the United States, we know US. The next, United Kingdom, UK. United Kingdom, UK. Then next, France. What is the country code of France? FR. Then next, Japan, JP. Then next, Australia, AU. Australia, AU. Last one, China, CN. China, CN. So we can also include the country codes in the URL. So that is the top level domains in country code. Different types of country code are there in. First one in IN for India. Then CA, Canada. United States, US. United Kingdom, UK. Japan, JP. France, FR. Australia, AU. And China, CN. So these are the country codes which is included in a URL. So now we discussed about what are the things, the top level domains, which is the last component of the domain name, and which includes some organizations like ORG, org. Then next, educational institutes, EDU. Then government and government purposes for GOV. Then next, commercial enterprises, COM. And next we discussed about country codes. .in for India, .us United States, .uk for United Kingdom, then .ca for Canada, .au for Australia, .jp for Japan, .fr for France, and .cn for China. Then next topic. So moving to next topic, that is VoIP. 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 So first, so here we can write VoIP as capital V, small o, then capital I, small v. Sorry, capital V. VoIP. First, the acronym of VoIP means Voice over IP. Voice over IP. Voice over IP means Voice over Internet Protocol. Voice over Internet Protocol. Voice over Internet Protocol. We already discussed about Internet Protocol address. We know it is the numeric address which consists of 4 numbers, and each number is separated by periods, and it has a unique address. That means each computer has a unique numeric address, and if you want to enter any website into the computer using your web browser, the computer converts that domain name into equivalent numeric IP address, and that is done by domain name server. So what is domain name? Domain name means it is the name that identifies the website, and domain names contain top level domains. Top level domain means what? Last component of the domain name. So here we learn about voice over IP. Voice over IP means it is the technology for transmitting voice over the internet. So once again, voice over IP means it is the technology that is used for transmitting voice conversation over the internet. It is the technology. So the question is, name the technology that is used into transmitting voice conversation over the internet. over internet. Over internet. Yes. Then here VoIP or voice over IP uses your internet connections to make free calls over the internet. So what is its main use? We can make calls and then using internet connections. So that technology is known as VoIP, that is voice over internet protocol. The next topic is using Skype. Have you heard about Skype? Yes. So what is that software? Skype. Skype means it is a software that allows to make calls over the internet. So what is a Skype software? It is used to make the calls over the internet, and you can use your internet connection to make calls and then turn your computer into the internet phone and make free Skype to Skype calls. So once again, Skype means SKYP. Skype means it is a software. Each type of software, what is its use? Software used to make voice calls over internet. Software used to make Skype calls or calls over internet. And you can use your internet connection and then turn your computer into the internet phone and make the calls free. Then, so which type of calls? Skype to Skype calls, video calls, instant chatting or instant messaging, that is free at any time, anywhere, or daytime or night time. So what are its features? Skype to another Skype, that is Skype to Skype calls, video calls, then instant messaging, then next one, instant messaging, then that is chats, etc. At any time, like daytime or night time, anywhere in the world. Anytime, anywhere. Anytime, anywhere. So these are the main features, and these type of calls are free, but while called from landline to landline or to mobile phones can be made for a fee. So these features like Skype to Skype calls, video calls, instant messaging, etc. we can use in any time, anywhere as free, but in the case of landline to mobile phones or landline to another landline, that means it can be made for a fee. Then additional features include instant messaging, file transfer, video conferencing. These are the another important features about the Skype. What are the additional information or additional features? Additional features, that is instant messaging, file transfer, instant messaging, then next file transfer, instant messaging, file transfer, and video conference. So if you write this question in examination, you can write all the features like additional additional features and the main features. So once again, let me remind you, what is a Skype? It is a software used to make Skype calls or calls over the internet, and the main features are Skype to Skype calls, then video calls, instant messaging, chats to other contacts in Skype at any time, anywhere in the world. Then these type of features are for free, and also landline to mobile phones etc. can be made for a fee. Then additional features like instant messaging, video conferencing, and also the file transfer. These type of features are the additional features of Skype. The next is, here also Skype uses which technology? Tell me which technology Skype uses. We already discussed it before. That is the technology used to make calls over the internet. What is that technology? Voice over IP. So here Skype also uses voice over IP. VoIP. Then next, how to, or what is the website used to install Skype software? So next, downloading and installing Skype. Downloading and installing Skype. So look here, the site that is after. So here look at this, downloading Skype means downloading Skype. Then the site is http www.skype.com. http www.skype.com. So here is the site. Here is the site which we used for downloading Skype. Then after you have downloaded and installed Skype on your computer, you need to create an account for yourself. So here is the site which is used for downloading the software. And then after downloading the software, then installed, then you can create an account for yourself. First, you need to create an account for yourself. That is the first step. So after downloading and installing, first you need to create an account. You need to create an account. You need to create an account. Okay. So in that time, you can specify, or you will now specify the username and password for login purpose. Second, now set a username and password. Username and password for login purpose. Login purpose. Yes, so that's the second step. First step, you can download the software from the site that is mentioned before, and then after downloading and installing, just you need to create an account for yourself. Then second step is now set a password and a username for login purpose. Next step, login the specified username and password. Login using username and password. Username and password. be using username and password. Okay. So once again, you need to create an account for yourself. Now set a username and password for login purpose. Then login using that username and password. These are the steps for installing and login with a username and password. The next is how to open a Skype or how to log in to the Skype software. Login to Skype. So after installing that, then so here start, first step start, then all programs, then next Skype, then Skype. So these are the steps for login to the software Skype. Start, all programs, Skype, and then Skype. Start, all programs, Skype, then Skype. After performing the 4 steps, a login screen will open. A login page appears. Then now you can enter the username and the password as you set in the login time. That means first time. So just enter the username and the password which you had specified while creating the account. The main Skype screen will appear. So this is the first step, and then enter the username and password. Enter the username and password. Then third one, a Skype screen will appear. So look at the page number 131. Read it. To open the Skype, follow the sequence. Start, all programs, Skype and Skype. The login screen will open. Enter the username and password which you had specified while creating the account. Then the main Skype screen will appear. Here is the login page, and here is the username text box, and here is the password text box. So you have to enter these two in respective boxes. Then here is a sign in off button. So just click that button. And what happens? Your account will open. That means your main screen of, that means home page or main screen of your account will open, and here the name of your account and all other details will be appear in the main screen. Then moving to next topic, adding contacts. How to add contacts. We will learn to add the contacts which is already in the Skype software, so that you can the users can appear in our contacts list, and we can talk or chat or message them easily. So how to add a contacts in Skype? So there are also some steps. Open the contact menu and click add contact, a drop down list appears and we have an option add contacts. Add contacts, and then next step, again there are some options, so just click search Skype directory. Search Skype directory. Yes. So here contacts, add contacts, search Skype directory. So you can search the name of that Skype account holder, also their email ID, extra you can search here and you will get the result. Then next, in the search people on Skype, enter the Skype name or the email address. Then the contact names or the details will be displayed. Then click on the button add to contact. Then the contact will get added. Okay. So these are the things. Once again, what are the things we have learned today? At first, we discussed about some of the domain name servers and the top level domains. So what are the top level domains? Com, edu. So top level domains like com, edu, gov, net, org, etc. Then next VoIP, voice over IP. Voice over IP means voice over internet protocol. What is its use? It is the technology that is used to make calls over the internet. And which is the software they use in Skype? Same, VoIP. Then how to download and install in Skype and what are the steps? Here is the site www.skype.com. Go to that site and download the Skype software. Then create an account for yourself and set a password and username for login purpose. Then after creating, just log in with your specified username and password that which you had already created in your account. Then a main screen will appear. Then you can enter the details, then add contacts, etc. So let's wind up this class. Thank you. We will continue later. Bye.